Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the beautiful art installation by famous artist Bruce Munro, which is called as Sensorio, the Field of Lights, located in Paso Robles, California. It is just few hours from either Los Angeles or from San Francisco. And New York Times mentioned it in the top 20 places to visit in the year 2020. So just follow along to explore this beautiful place. We were driving from LA, so it took us around 4.5 hours to reach there, even with some little bit of traffic. We had already booked our tickets online for general admission, which started around 6 pm in the evening. At the entrance gate, they checked our tickets, our bags, and also took temperatures for COVID purposes. As you enter, you can see an open ground with multiple food trucks, and also there was a live band playing music. So people were enjoying some food and drinks before entering the field full of lights. As we entered, we saw this huge field with multiple trails and different benches placed in the different spots. So we would recommend you guys to reach there before sunset so that you can appreciate the art installation as well as find the best spot to come back after it's dark. There are three main exhibits in this art installation. The first one was the field of lights that we saw before, and these are the light towers. And the third one was fireflies, which was unfortunately closed during our visit, so we couldn't see them. These light towers are built with more than 15,000 wine bottles and have these fiber optic lights inside them. And all these exhibits are solar powered. We then came back to see the illuminated field of lights, and it was just magical. It was something like we have never seen before. We'll just let you guys enjoy few clips that we tried to capture of this beautiful place. Trust me, none of these videos or pictures do justice to this magical place. You have to experience it for yourself. So plan your visit soon, as they are open only till February 2022. In the end, we ordered some Mexican food for dinner and called it the day. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel content from California and beyond.